we often hold on to things. You know, we may have been hurt. We may have experienced pain. But like the late great Dr. Wayne Dyer said, he said, nobody ever dies of a snake bite. They die of the venom. You know, it's the stuff that they hold on to that continues to run through their system that becomes destructive to their thoughts and their well-being. So when we hold on to things, it's destructive to our own well-being. When we hold on to things, we stay imprisoned in a behavioural pattern of thinking and being and doing that does not serve us. So forgiveness gives us the key to let ourselves out of our own imprisonment. Now it's a tough process. For me, forgiveness, the hardest part of it was forgiving myself. Forgiving myself. How many of you guys hold on to stuff that you've done, you've said, or how you've been or showed up in a moment in life? We've got to start with us. And then how many times have we felt like, you know, someone else or life has caused us pain or hurt? And it may have been, you know, physically, psychologically. But by holding on to it, the only person that it's hurting now is ourselves.